Are you a teacher? You want to create multiplication sheets, but you don't have the time? This is the video for you. I'm going to teach you how you can do it the easiest and the fastest way. In fact, this is going to be the fastest tutorial that you will ever watch because of this #1 tool. Let's get to it. What you're looking at right now is my dashboard, and what you see here are the math apps. This is where the magical things happen, right? But I wanted to go over this just because I know a lot of you, if you're a teacher, you're an educator, you create different types of worksheets. This membership will not be available for very long. So if you want to jump on it, do it now before it closes out, and then you are no longer able to get back in and have access to it. There is a membership that is open right now where you get access to the puzzle apps and the math applications, okay, all together in the form of a membership. You get access to all of them. And when it's puzzles, it's bilingual word search puzzles, Sudoku, you have cryptogram puzzles, shape word search generator, coloring word search generator, and you name it. And the reason why this is so powerful is because when you're creating these, it usually takes a lot of time. I'm a homeschool mom. It takes me a long time. It has taken me a long time to create different types of resources and material for my kids so that they can either be entertained, be off the screens, and be able to practice certain skills. So this membership is going to be available where you can have access to both the puzzle apps and the math apps for the price of one. It's crazy. But let's go ahead and go to the math apps where the magic happens for your math worksheets, okay? We're going to go ahead and click on math worksheets. I like to use the pro version. Let's go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go ahead and name this file multiplication for kids, okay? We're going to go ahead and click on create a collection. It's already here. Let me click on it. This is crazy. Pay attention to what's about to happen. On the left-hand side, you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, step multiplication, and so on and so forth. There's time, fractions, decimals, you name it. I don't know about you, but when I first saw this, I was like, wait, my mind just started going everywhere. I'm like, oh my God, I can create this and I can create that and I can create this for my son and my daughter. I mean, it's just insane. I'm going to go ahead and click on multiplication. There are 42 different templates. This might not look like a lot, but there is a magical button within this generator that will make your life easier. And I had to stop the video because my son was crying and we just gave him a snack. So now let's get back to it. There is the first template right here to the left where it says 7 times 2. When I click on this, watch what happens. I'm clicking on it. Boom. It generated a total of 60 different math problems. But when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, like this is crazy. I'm like, I already have 60 problems that I could just print out and give to my son, right? But I'm like, okay, if I'm giving this to my daughter who's in 2nd grade, okay, this is way overwhelming, right? Even for my 7th grader, this can seem a little bit overwhelming. So the cool thing about this generator is that you can change the amount of rows and columns that you have. I'm going to go ahead and switch here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and let's say I want a total of 4 rows and let's say 3 columns. Boom. Now, what do we have here? We have a total of 12 different problems, okay? And you can expand it and you can position it wherever you want on the page. You can even add some text on the top if you want to go ahead and add something like solve the problems, something simple or whatever you want to go ahead and add. Solve the problems, and then you can go ahead and minimize this as you wish. You can go ahead and minimize this. As you can see here, you can add more text and add a title to this worksheet, which is something that we can do. Let me go ahead and click on text, and we're going to go ahead and add this here. We're going to change the text to multiplication. Okay. Practice. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and minimize this text, make it smaller, and then expand it, and boom. We have one worksheet, and this is where the magic happens, okay? I'm going to click on that magical button because we need more pages. I need more. I need at least 30 pages for a decent spiraled notebook. I'm going to go ahead and click on bulk clone, okay? It's going to ask me to enter the number of pages that I want. Let's say I go ahead and add 30. I'm going to click on clone pages in seconds. Look at all of the problems that I now have, and they're all different in every single sheet. How long did that take me? That did not take me long at all. It actually took me less than 5 minutes to do this, less than 3 minutes to do this. I chose a template. I chose the amount of rows and columns. I added some text and I clicked on bulk clone and it gave me 30 different pages. So if you have 30 students, you can give them all 30 different problems. And voila, this is insane. It doesn't get easier than this. All you have to do now, if you want to go ahead and save this to the computer, you click on download and then you can save it as download it as a PNG file or a PDF file. You can even create a notebook, which is what I did with for my son for the multiplication book, where I went ahead, I downloaded it, I sent it to FedEx, and they created a spiral notebook for my son. Wasn't this easy? Isn't this simple? It's crazy. And you can do this for all different types of math. And if you want to sell your worksheets on a website like Teachers Pay Teachers, when you come here to Teachers Pay Teachers and you click on math, the categories under this math section of the website, it already has some of the generators that we have here on this CloudWork software. And these generators are going to help you create the worksheets that you want to create so that you can sell these as worksheets to other teachers, or you can even sell them on Etsy. You can create a stand store. The sky is the limit. And if you want to go ahead and learn how to create measurement worksheets, go ahead and check out this video over here. I'll see you there.